So, willkommen die live No-Gucker, No-Guckerinnen, Matspieler, Matspielerinnen, wie auch immer die ich nennen wollt. Weiter geht mit der dritten Folge von Life is Strange. Ein ganz interessantes Spiel, bisschen ziemlich ruhig. Wir lassen mal raus, und das mal ZäitVerdréie können. Das für wenig, das für bis mir lang. Und an der letzten Folge also eine Frau auf der Toilette Schoss gehen, wo mir als Time Traveler, Time Rewind Fähigkeit kennengelernt haben. Am Logo der Zeit wird Mädchen retten zu gehen. Voll Gas. Ich kann laufen. Ich kann laufen. Yeah. Toilette war... So. Wer kennt ich nicht? Bathroom. Geran. Die Chance ist geil. Auch von nur hat die schon erst gesagt.
I washed my face. I shredded my photo. Then the butterfly flew in.
Ja, Foto gemacht.
And I took a photo.
Da können Typen und Frauen schon.
Them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
Raus war einfach.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing?
Raus.
Come on, put that thing down.
Tell me what to do.
Wowzer, it's happening again.
Krass.
Trying to control
I
me.
need a hammer to break it open.
Rede was Nummer. Was für Nummer?
Nobody would
Look.
ever
Looks
even
like Samuel
think
forgot to
podcast,
take
would
the
they?
cleaning cart out of here.
Away from me, psycho!
Holy shit, I can't let this happen. If I can reverse time again, I can help her.
One day.
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
I need a hammer to break it open.
I need a... Okay. Boy. Komm, steck mich weit, So,
Ever
vielleicht...
tell me what to do.
Move,
I'm
move,
so
move.
sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in
Hammer.
hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Yeah!
No way.
Oh, das war
Don't
just.
ever touch me again, freak!
Oh, das war just.
Another shitty day.
That did not happen. This cannot be real. I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Fire alarm. Raus. Raus.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Huh.
Excuse for
Good enough.
what?
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Oh, bist du so pissig.
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone, and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
Ja, Mann, mit der Alarm ist. Au. Na. Vielmals merci, Mr. Teacher. Können wir uns merci sagen? Das ist mir gerade voll Arsch gereckt. Principal Wells. Oh, scheiße.
Principal
direkt.
Wells always looks so distracted. I can never figure out what he's thinking. Does he?
You look a little stressed out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
Ihr könnt mir mal ganz cool rüber. Oh, da geht schon los. Okay.
I just got sick in class. Female trouble.
Except you're wandering around like a zombie. And do you think that's the first time a student has used that line on me?
It's the truth. I felt dizzy in Mr. Jefferson's
Just
class.
tell me what you're hiding. You can trust me.
Okay.
There's nothing to hide.
Das ist sehr gut.
I got sick. It happens, you know.
Sehr gut, das
There's
Keyword.
that teen toot again. You know, I've heard enough. Don't think I don't know what goes on around here. You've only been here for 3 weeks and you're already causing conflict. I don't think your parents will approve when they find out. Now get outside with class. Please.
Oops.
No, he does not buy that at all. I may have just flushed my scholarship down the toilet. Yes, I could rewind and actually tell him the truth.
But
You look a little stressed out.
Okay.
Are you?
Probeer maar dat maar.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott.
Show.
You sure?
Yes,
The
he
one
was
that's
in the
not good
bathroom
at.
talking to himself with a gun. I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind a stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most distinguished family, and one of Blackwell's most honored students. So it's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girls' bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
Nope.
This is a serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally. Thank you for bringing it to my attention.
Da geschieht gar
That's
nichts.
it? After what I told
We'll
you?
continue this discussion later in my office. Please go outside with the rest of your class now, Miss Caulfield.
Als doch nicht wahr, kein Javan
Of
auf dem
course this
Deckel.
academic drone won't do anything since the Prescott family owns Blackwell now. Should I rewind and change my story?
Und dann noch ab, wo ich alles wieder kann. Ich drunten kommen immer noch ein drittes Schwar dabei.
You look a little stressed out.
Oh. Sind nicht die, wo die Reise Fissi verpassen, geschieht gar nicht, oder sind nicht die, ja, komm, wir bleiben dabei.
I just saw.
Na, ich mein Scholarship wenigstens vielleicht nicht total viel nehmen. Ja. Look.
Principal Wells always looks so distracted. I can
Scheiße.
never figure out what he's thinking. Does he?
Scheiße, 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 scheiße. Boah, dann hast du eben so. Die Gemeinde beim direkt an die Büro gerufen. Leute, wir haben ein Tablet am Grab.
Would Nathan Prescott please come to the front office? Thank you.
Oh, geht einfach gerufen. Ein bisschen Person-Poster, schauen wir mal. Ein bisschen Person-Poster. Another poster.
I would so be there if a Sasquatch actually did battle a Razorback.
What? Do the Bigfoot step. Mrs. Grant, hello.
Miss Grant sure is dedicated. Hi, Miss Grant.
Excuse me, Max. I know everybody loves being asked to sign a petition, but would you do Miss Grant a favor and hear me out?
Oh, yo.
Sure, I always have time for you. What's the petition?
David Matson, our chief of security, wants to put surveillance cameras all around the campus.
Oh, no,
Halls,
no, no,
classrooms,
no, no,
gym,
no.
dorm rooms, etc. Blackwell Academy should be a high school, not a high security
Voller
penitentiary.
ganz Dinger Meinung. It could have helped Rachel. That's crazy. David Matson. It's an Empfang der Gate.
That's crazy. I get why school should be on high alert these days, but cameras in the dorm rooms.
It's a slippery slope, and it's up to you and your classmates to stand up here. Blackwell Academy has a noble heritage, from the Native Americans who founded this land to the pioneers who shared it in peace, not fear and violence.
Native Americans, flotten die an von Zeit. Hey, die
Native
fliegen Drohnen.
Americans?
The tribes who were here first,
geil.
who welcomed the settlers. Both cultures found a mutual symbiosis and thrived. Now,
die
before I
waren-
assign you homework with this lecture, will you please sign the petition to keep our campus from going back to 1984?
Yep, give it to me.
Absolutely. I don't mind security, but not pure surveillance.
I knew you were my favorite new student at Blackwell for a good reason.
Ja, ja, liest du den politische Darstellungen dich abwirken, Madame. Das ist Lieblingsstudentin sind. Oh! Select? Don't ignore this message. Hey, Lewis. Hey, Max. Can you get my flash drive? Need some info in space. Hello, running late, insane day, meet you in the lot. Looking cool. Okay. Nur noch nice. Not all of those who wander are lost. Wo kann ich das? Kann ich schon irgendwo. Jeden aus dem Pisser. Security und so. Principal.
Okay, I better get to my dorm and grab that flash drive.
Jo. Mich nervös für mein Dorm aus. My King Map. Nee, gell? Oh, nee. Dormitories. Okay. Was laufen?
Stella always looks so serious and
Hey there, Stella. Hey, I know you. You're the new quiet girl in Jefferson's class.
Mal für
Isn't he
Kollegen.
incredible?
Das heißt aloof? Schon mal, think so.
I think so. We're lucky to have such a famous teacher. And I actually love his work.
Me too. His New York urban stuff is great, but I'm glad he came back to his Oregon roots. Screw the East Coast elite.
East
It must
Coast.
piss off those pretentious galleries that Mark Jefferson is teaching photography to us Blackwell Hicks. Plus, he is pretty hot for an older guy. If Victoria
Must be
wasn't all
hipster.
over him, I would definitely make a move.
Now that you mention.
Now that you mention it, he doesn't respond to Victoria's flirting.
Nö.
That means he has good taste.
Ja. Oder nach
You have a
Schule.
lot to learn here at Blackwell. Rachel Amber absolutely had sex with him. Well,
Oh.
I heard that from a good source.
Oh. You knew Rachel?
So, you knew Rachel?
Not really. I saw her hanging with the other cool kids like Victoria. Not my kind of clique. But I heard insane stories about Rachel.
I like insane.
I'd
Insane
like
in
to
the
study this photo if
membrane.
you don't mind.
Oh, du wolltest mir den abzählen. Come on. Oh.
That's so cool that Blackwell is doing a show of Mr. Jefferson's work.
Parking. Dormitories. Kann ich nur wirklich so süß auch jetzt eine Person zwischendenken. Oh, komm mal. Einer ist cool. Einer ist cool. Evan. Evan.
I think his name is Evan. Evan's portfolio always looks so uber pro. I'd love to see his photos and... Hey, Evan.
Was war dem mal?
Mind if I check out your cool portfolio?
Let's see if you're worthy of it, Max. You'll have to answer a simple question. Who photographed the famous falling soldier?
Hä? Das bestimmte Eugene.
Gotta be Eugene Smith.
Eugen.
Well, they both were famous war photographer images, but you should know the difference.
No.
Good try.
Wrong answer. Hup.
Hey, Evan.
So geil, das da.
Let's see if you're worthy of it.
Worthy. I am Steve McCurry.
Steve McCurry?
Unless he could travel back in time. McCurry was born 5 years after the falling soldier picture. McCurry also shoots in color. In other words, no portfolio.
Travel back in time, huh? Oh.
Hey, Evan.
Speak.
Let's see.
Robert Kappa.
Robert Kappa, of course. I love his work, despite the controversy about that photo.
My. This quiet child knows things.
That's why I'm here.
You're
I
a
know
kindred
stuff.
spirit, Max. Would you care for a perusal of my portfolio? It's not a privilege I grant to many.
I'd be honored, sir.
Komm, los gucken. Aha, hier steht digital. Rachel. Keine andere Seite, ne? Ne, Knöpfchen drücken. You knew Rachel?
Hi, Evan.
As you can see, Rachel Amber was my favorite model here. She knew exactly what angles worked best with my eye.
You were close.
Like brother and sister
Oh.
in arms. She understood me, never judged me. I hated her Vortex Club clique, but She never acted like she cared. Her friends were her friends.
What do you think happened to her?
Nothing good, Max. Nothing good.
Die hat wat zu den Klicken dran mit war net so ein voll Bitch wie all die
Sorry.
anderen.
I have to get back to my portfolio.
Oh, ich wollte noch ein bisschen Infos kriegen, Infos. Dormitories. Oh, oh. Beam. Beam me up. Oder beam me up. Wenn ihr lo hei groß weitergeht, ging es so, dann machen wir hier Cut. Und nix immer ist für die nächste
I need
Folge
to go to my
weiter.
room and return Warren's flash drive.
Ja, da muss man auch mal. Vielmals merci, wird nur gucken. Mir gesehen ist. Bis geschön. Ciao, ciao.